Welcome to our channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Zebronics 450W black gold power supply. This power supply comes packed with features including 3x SATA connectors, 2x Molex, an 80mm built-in fan, and extra long cables perfect for regular use computers. Now, this power supply comes with a bunch of features that we're going to dive into. Let's jump straight into the unboxing. As we open the box, the first thing we notice is the sleek black design of the power supply. It's got a really nice finish that doesn't make it look cheap at all. The black color definitely adds a touch of elegance to it. Inside, we've got a 1.2-meter power cable, which is quite generous in length, along with some extra long connector cables. Now, this is great, especially if you have a larger case or if you need that extra reach for cable management. Let's talk about its features. This power supply boasts 3x SATA connectors, which is handy for connecting multiple drives, 2x Molex connectors, and an 80mm built-in fan. Now, it's advertised as silent, but I did notice a bit of noise. However, for me, it's not bothersome at all. In terms of performance, this power supply is suitable for regular use computers. It's perfect for older generation i5, i7 assembles with mid-specs or no i3 with low-end graphic cards. The build quality is pretty good, and apart from the wires, everything else follows an all-black design. So, wrapping it up, the Zebronics 450W black gold power supply is a solid choice, especially if you're on a budget. I got mine from Amazon for only 800 rupees, and I'll drop the link in the description below if you want to check it out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments section. Until next time, peace.